Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, premium package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Take a ride in the 2019 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.